issue faced by our society. The importance of mental health is often overlooked or undervalued by many. Many people feel ashamed or afraid to talk about their mental health due to the stigma surrounding it.
Millions of people are struggling with anxiety, depression, and other mental health challenges. But instead of seeking help, may suffer in silence, afraid of being judged and afraid of being seen as weak. It is crucial to emphasize the critical importance of self-awareness and deep understanding, as these are the key to navigate the challenges of modern life.
This advocacy seeks to create a supportive environment where individuals feel safe to seek help and discuss their mental health challenges without fear of discrimination. Mental health advocates work to influence public opinion, challenge harmful stereotypes, and push for legislative reform that enhance mental health care service.
We must deliberately prioritize self-care in order to manage difficult circumstances at work. It is crucial to set aside enough time for ourselves and actively engage in meditation in order to comprehend and treat our collective ideas, feelings, and individual needs.
This self-awareness fosters empathy, building a foundation of understanding and compassion for those facing mental health challenges. This genuine empathy helps create a more inclusive and supportive community.
Cultivating self-awareness while challenging is crucial. By actively dismantling the stigma surrounding mental health, we create an inclusive and empathetic environment where individuals feel empowered to seek help and find support. A world where mental well-being is top priority, ensuring everyone feels valued and supported, inachievable. This requires prioritizing self-awareness and creating a society that actively fosters mental health for all.